Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. We have here the Knight of Swords and the Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Magician. Seven of Wands. Five of Pentacles. Queen of Swords. And the Ace of Swords. Bottom card natin, Eight of Pentacles. So, maaaring for some of you, may mga naka-experience ngayong first week ng or kalahatian ng half ng January ng 2024 ng heartache, heartbreak, may mga nakipag-break ngayong sa inyo for some of you or may ng ghost, biglang nawala. So, tingnan natin. So, kung kakausapin ka pa ba nito, kasi parang recently lang nangyari, wala pang isang linggo na hindi ka kinakausap or ilang araw pa lang. Counselor by Archangel Azrael. You are a natural counselor and many people benefit from your guidance and reassurance. So, tingnan natin kung magpaparamdam pa ito. Para mga 3 days, 2 days pa lang siya hindi nagpaparamdam sa'yo. Parang ginost ka niya. Very recently lang, ngayon lang to nangyari, mga ilang araw. The Ring and Healing Crystal. So, for some of you, parang after ng confessions, ayan. After mag-confess, biglang nawala. Snail, music, shoes, and waterfalls. Pero mukhang magpaparamdam pa to, kaso mukhang may mga ano pa siya, issues na kinahaharap. Undecided. You're my strength, pero namimiss ka nito. I'm a liar. Giving up. Feeling left out in the cold. Ayan. Being defensive. Can't sleep. Thinking of you all night long. Pero lagi ka niya iniisip. You're my destiny. Pero, undecided siya. Tumakbo siya, parang nabigla siya sa mga desisyon niya. Pero magpaparamdam pa naman to. Kakausapin ka niya ulit. After a few days siguro ng pag-iisip. I wish I could take back my words. So, may mga nasabi siya na gusto niyang bawiin. Finding out the truth crushed me. The timing just wasn't right for us. Kasi siguro may nag-confess and then gusto niyang bawiin yon kasi hindi pa siya ready. Kasi hindi pa right time. He don't know how hard it was to let you go. I love you unconditionally. I'm afraid to contact you pero natakot siya. Guilty. Ayan. Hindi niya alam kung paano papawiin yung mga nasabi niya. I wish things could be different. Got ang initial, letter P. V. H. Z. D. N. I. Y. And letter F. Bottom card A. So, let's use a blue card. And then, ayun. Boom. So, may nag-confess. Gustong bawiin yung confessions kasi hindi pa ready. Pero you also have another destiny card. And ayun, tumakbo siya. Maring twin flame connection to na tinakbuhan ka dahil very intense, hindi siya ready. Tingnan natin, general signs. Party animal. Friendly. Good heart. Parang friend zone ka niya after nun. After niya mag-confess. Hilarious. Chaser. Quiet person. North PH. Gemini. Attractive. Dimple. Mindanao. 4. Past person. Skin tag. Gorgeous, runner, and runner card. One is fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Ex-lover, province, Pisces, talented. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Sword, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Sarcastic, Sagittarius, smart. Cold city, 7. Kasi ngayon confused siya. 10. Present lover. Very serious. Last card natin. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.